Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming JDK 11 or later is installed and Java Home points correctly. This matters because tools use that runtime. Once done, install Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code and add the Java extension pack so language support, debugging, and project templates appear. Create a new Java project and choose Maven or Gradle to manage libraries and build lifecycles. Make sure to open the project folder in the IDE so extensions index files and you get code completion immediately. You now configure the project JDK and source compatibility to avoid compilation errors. Set the output folder so your classes land where the debugger expects them. Next, create a run and debug configuration, use launch. JSON in VS Code or the run settings in Visual Studio to specify main class, program arguments, and environment variables. Then add any dependencies to POM, XML, or build. Gradle and refresh the project so the IDE downloads them and updates the class path. This ensures you finish by running unit tests and stepping through code to confirm breakpoints hit and console output appears as expected. This validates runtime configuration. Then build a runnable artifact with Maven or Gradle and run it outside the IDE to confirm behavior in production-like conditions. If things fail, check that Java Home, the project JDK setting, and path all point to the same JDK version. Mismatches cause class path and tooling errors. If needed, clean and rebuild to clear stale artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.